What is one of the best failures that you stuck with or returned to that ended up being fruitful?
So, this glass, flexible glass textile, it oxidizes with time. The glass sheds from the skin, each of these pieces, and the object at some point goes limp and starts to act really old. When I first came up with this in 2010, it was viewed as a fault. It was viewed as a failure. It was like, oh, this is great. It's so exciting and shiny and the optics are amazing. Can you just make it permanent? Can you just like somehow make it not age? And I realized that the perceived failure of this was because it was subject to the rules of the average glass art object, that it stays the same and it's impervious to anything external. However, in thinking of the way cells fall from our living bodies all the time, and my desire to make the walls of the Sheesh Mahal come alive, this behavior actually made a lot of sense to me because it spoke about aging and erosion and disappearance and time in a way that representation would not have. And I recognized that it changed the expectations that one might have from the art object. So I was making dresses and vessels that are meaningful precisely because they do this and they die. Today, I can choose whether I want the skin to be static or permanent, static and permanent, or flex and age. But I wouldn't have undertaken all of this R&D if I just accepted the failure of 2010 and said, oh man, that failed. It's not worth it. So I'm really glad that I kept working with this glass skin, realizing what it needed to be instead of failing it myself.